looking for a quick and easy adjustable desk because you have a small area, this can be a good option. So let's dive into it. This desk is on wheels, so you have some nice wheels. I have this set up in two ways, just so you can see both ways. So you have different sections right here inside of here that have holes, so that as you can see, there's a hole here, there's one right here, so that this little pole can actually come out, and it's just an extra safety measure for the desk not to come down. However, on this side, I wanted it slightly adjusted differently, so I didn't actually use this. I just actually got this this area to be adjusted exactly where I wanted it, and then tightened this piece right here. It comes with some nice hooks, so you can have like maybe a headphones or bag, and this is the drink holder. Of course, it comes with a nice little area for your pens, and another one right here to maybe help with your laptop. But this is a very small, convenient, adjustable desk. It was very easy to build. It was only one person that you actually need to go ahead and set this up, but it was very convenient, and it is very sturdy and a tough material.